In this video, I will show you how to create video from image. This is a new AI feature by Filmora. Open the Filmora app and then import an image to the editor. After that, click on Image to Video in the left side of the screen. Here you have multiple options to choose from. I will show you one by one. This is the AI Fight feature. You can make any person fight using this. The next one is AI Kiss. This one is Smoke Escape. You can make yourself disappear from your photo. This one is a funny effect. You can make any painting come to life with this. There are a few more effects, you can check it out yourself. Let's click on AI Hug and generate a video. Click on Upload and choose any image you have. You can crop and make any adjustment to the imported image. I will choose stick mode since I only have separate image. I will upload another image here. And do the same changes. Now click on Generate. It will take few minutes. File is generated now. Let's play and see the results. This looks really good. This is the easiest way to turn your image to your video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel for more such video.